In this video, I will teach you how to make a simple 7-strand Kumihimo cord that you can use as a friendship bracelet, a string for your keys, drawstring, you name it. And all you'll need is 7 strands of yarn or string and a simple Kumihimo disc with 8 slots. And if you don't have one of these, I also have a zine that I'll link in the description that shows you how to make one out of cardboard if you just want to use things you have around the house. So let's get started. I've tied 7 strands together and I'm going to put them through my disc. The knot will go on the bottom. Then I'm going to put 1 strand in each of these slots. There's 8 slots in this disc. The order that you put them in will produce different patterns, but if you're just starting, I wouldn't worry about it. And then you put the slot that's empty facing yourself. And this is where the chant comes in. The chant helps us remember what we're supposed to do when we're starting out. The chant is 1, 2, 3, back to me. So from this blank spot, we count 1, 2, 3 strands, pull that one out, and the back to me is putting it in the one that's facing you. Then you rotate so that you have the new blank space now facing you, and you count 1, 2, 3, back to me, 1, 2, 3, back to me, and that's pretty much it. You do that the whole time. The 2 things I always tell people are that you will braid for about 5 minutes before you start to see anything, and then you'll start to see a braid coming out of the bottom here, and you'll give it a little tug time to time. And if your strands are longer than say a foot, you'll want to brush them out from time to time so that they don't get tangled. The motions that you do on top are reflected on the bottom, so you want to make sure that you are not ending up with a big tangly knot at the bottom. And once you do that for a while, you'll have yourself a braid. And that's it. Continue braiding until you run out of string or until your cord is the length that you want. Then take it off the disc and just tie a simple overhand knot to finish it. And then you're done. Again, I'll post a link to the zine in the description with all the step-by-step instructions if you want a quick reference. Leave a comment if you want to see other videos with other braids and let me know what you're looking for.